Hey, hey, hey. And it's pinned? I really love our frontals. We used to barely be able to keep them in stock. Now we have them in stock and they are ready and available, and they're here, included in our 4th of July sale. You see how natural the color is here? That shows the quality of the hair. So it's a little bit darker, but then it gets a little bit lighter. And you see the luster of the hair? Yes. We have frontals available. Here's the back of our frontal here. It is pre-bleached. The lace is pleated right here, so that way when it lays on your head, your stylist doesn't have to do so much work. We've already shaped that for you there. Our hairline is in a natural pattern, and it does not just go straight across your head there. It gives you your actual dips. Your actual dips of your hairline, so your stylist does not have to do too much plucking. As you can see here, well, maybe you can't see this way, but the hairline is less dense. And of course, there are baby hair around that perimeter right there. Hi, everybody. Thank you for the likes. Let's get some more. I appreciated the gifts that I was getting last time. There's baby hair already here. So, you know, we've been selling these for 10 plus years. We're not a new company that just started selling something that has a random supplier. If you want quality hair that's going to last you, shop with us. You can either come handpick your hair here in the store with us, or you can click the orange or yellow thing on the side and you can have one sent to you tomorrow. Well, actually, today's Saturday, so our next order will go out on Monday. You might be able to get it in time for 4th of July. And you really can style this baby hair here any way you kind of want. You can trim it a little. You can wear it, you know, just kind of loose. But our frontals are perfect for wig making. They're perfect for sewing bundles behind. The hairline is super natural and less dense, so you can really freely part it anywhere. If you're looking for a quality frontal, if you're a wig maker and you don't want your clients to complain about the quality of the hair, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We also have a few closures in stock right now, but our closures are deep body wave. This is our regular body wave texture here. And we also have our clip-on bangs in stock. So if you're looking for a clip-on bang, we have that as well. And you just pop it open here, slide it on your head like so, and that's it. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Click that orange shopping cart and you can add either item to your shopping cart. So this just kind of gives you a look at how the bangs look. You can clip that on any wig or your natural hair. This is human hair, so you can curl it, you can style it, we can color it for you. All that jazz we can do. We have the best high quality hair here. So all of our hair can be lifted and colored. We do custom coloring here in store. So if you're looking for a specific color, allow us to color the hair for you. We're located in Culver City, California. I've been here for 10 plus years. We're Black owned because I'm Black and I'm the owner. But yeah, if you're looking for quality hair, we specialize in wigs, but we do also have things like closures, frontals. We do currently have bundles in sale and in stock, and most importantly, we are having our BOGO sale in store and online. So if you're looking for bundles to go with these frontals, we have that in stock and available, and it can go out to you now. Hi everybody, hi, hi, hi. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for joining. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you want me to dance for you. Hi, 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 hi. Boom, shaka, boom, boom, boom. What are you guys doing for 4th of July? Is anybody traveling anywhere? Thank you for joining. Hello. It is human hair, 100% human hair. So you can flat iron it, you can color it, you can lift it more. And once these closures are out of stock, we maybe won't be restocking closures. So get them now while you can. Price, what is the price? $2.75. These are $2.75.
But there's a coupon in the TikTok.
And there's a coupon in the TikTok shop. So if you just click the link, you know, TikTok will tell you all the coupons that you have. So click the orange shopping cart in the bottom corner.
And it's free shipping right now.
And it's free shipping. So yeah. What texture is this? This is our body wave texture. And yes, we do have bundles available to go with this. So if you want to do this with a wig installate or making a wig, or if you want to do this with a sew-in, we do have the sew-in bundles that you would place right behind this. Now, don't forget, when you are wearing a sew-in installation with the frontal, you do need to reattach your frontal every couple of days. So, and please share the live. Let all your friends know that we are having a sale here at Magic Hair Company. Can I match with the BOGO? Can you mix and match with the BOGO sale? Yes, you can. But the BOGO sale is not in our TikTok shop, so that's something you would have to.
You can do it on our website.
Yeah, am I allowed to say that on here though? Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what I can and can't say. But yes, so please share the like. Let all your friends know that we are having a in-store and online sale. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for following us. So if you're looking for quality wigs, quality hair, we are here at Magic Hair Company, and we are having a BOGO 4th of July sale. So don't miss out on our 4th of July sale, especially on our bundles, because we rarely put our bundles on sale. And our bundles are the same quality of hair from our same manufacturer as our closures and frontals, our wigs. They are all the same. So just check out this hairline. What is the size of the frontal? Our frontals are 13 by 6. You see how natural this looks here? Okay, you can see it on my skin here, but you see how natural this front hairline looks? It's less dense right here, less dense right at the hairline. Let me unwrap the lace. It's less dense right here at the hairline. And there's baby hair, you can part it, but this is quality. If you're looking for quality hair that's going to last you and that you'll be able to reuse, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company.
Okay, I'll see you
Wednesday. Okay, thank you. I might need to text you a random question or something, but thank you, I appreciate it. Have a good weekend. Okay guys, we're having our BOGO sale. And we have our clip-on bangs. Thank you for the hearts, guys. Thank you for the follows as well. This is our clip-on bang. So if anybody has like hair loss in the front, or you don't like the front of your wig, this is the perfect thing that you can add. You just clip it on the front and it gives you a whole new look. And it's pretty much styled. So you see how it's already falling into place there? And it's only this big. And it's very simple.